In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for image and news search, fast and easy. First things first, you'll want to head over to your preferred web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. You'll see a list of results, and you should click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the Google Trends homepage, where the magic happens. Once you're on the website, you'll notice a few different options, but for our purposes, we want to focus on the Explore section. Click on Explore, and you'll be directed to a page where you can start entering your search terms. Now think about the topic or event you're curious about. It could be anything from electric cars to the Football World Cup, or even a more niche subject like celebrity news. Type your keyword into the search bar and press Enter. Upon doing this, a trend graph will appear, showcasing how interest in your chosen keyword has fluctuated over time. But that's not all. Google Trends offers some great options to tailor your search results. You can set location and language filters to hone in on the audience segment you're interested in. Be sure to adjust these filters according to the target region and language that align with your keyword. For instance, if your focus is on climate change discussions in Germany, make sure you tweak the settings accordingly. Next up, you have the opportunity to choose a time range. This is particularly useful if you're looking to analyze patterns over different periods. You can set the time to the past 12 months for a fresh look at recent interest, or extend it to the past 5 years if you're interested in understanding long-term trends. With time and location set, take a close look at the trend graph in front of you. Observe any spikes or drops in interest over the set period, and see if there are any notable seasonal patterns or new trends emerging. If you're diving into image or news search trends, these insights can be especially valuable. In addition to analyzing your keyword, Google Trends provides a treasure trove of related topics and queries. All you need to do is scroll down the page to find these suggestions. This section can provide inspiration for content creation, SEO strategies, or campaign planning by revealing other trending terms related to your initial keyword. Finally, if there's more than one topic you're interested in, you can use the Compare feature. This handy tool allows you to track multiple keywords at once, giving you a comparative view of which topics are currently capturing the most attention in image or news searches. Carefully scroll through your results and take note of anything that stands out. With these steps, you're now equipped with the knowledge to leverage Google Trends effectively. This tool can significantly enhance how you understand and engage with trending topics in both images and news, giving you an edge in any digital strategy.